The day a robot cleans your house better than a human, the world changes forever. And that moment may be closer than most people think. Elon Musk says Tesla's humanoid robot, Tesla Optimus, could eventually cost around $20,000 and work up to 20 hours a day inside ordinary homes. And once you hear what this could mean for everyday life, you may never look at housework the same way again. Right now, millions of families spend huge amounts of time and money on chores. Cleaning, laundry, organizing, elderly care, meal prep, dishes, babysitting. The work never really ends. Tesla wants to change that. Not with another smart appliance, with a humanoid robot. And that changes the math of daily life completely. Tesla has already shown Optimus walking, carrying objects, folding clothes, sorting materials, and performing factory tasks. The company says these robots are already working inside Tesla facilities right now. That's why people are paying attention. This is no longer just science fiction or flashy CGI. Real machines are already doing real work. What makes the story even bigger is the price target. Most humanoid robots today cost well over $100,000 and are limited to research labs or giant corporations. Tesla wants to mass-produce robots the same way it mass-produces cars. And if that actually works, this becomes enormous. Musk has even said Optimus could eventually become more important than Tesla's car business. Think about that for a second. This is the company that helped push electric vehicles into the mainstream. And now Musk believes robots could become an even bigger industry. Imagine waking up and your floors are already clean. The dishes are done, laundry is folded, groceries are organized, trash has been taken out. Before your first cup of coffee, the house is already handled. For most people, chores are a constant cycle. Now imagine removing most of that permanently. That's the future Tesla is trying to sell. And honestly, for exhausted families, it sounds incredibly attractive. Parents are overwhelmed. People work all day, then come home to another shift of cooking, cleaning, organizing, and helping kids with homework. A household robot changes that equation immediately. Suddenly, time comes back. And time is one of the most valuable things people have. Tesla says Optimus could eventually operate close to 20 hours a day under mixed tasks. That means it could work far longer than any human without getting mentally exhausted or emotionally drained. Humans get tired, distracted, and they lose motivation. A machine doesn't care, it just keeps going. That alone could make robots incredibly valuable inside homes. And the financial side may be even more important. Many households already spend thousands every year on cleaning services, childcare assistance, home maintenance, or elderly support.
Enormous potential for humanoids
Full-time
in light of
household
our
help
aging
becomes
society.
extremely expensive over time. Now compare that to a one-time robot purchase. Even at $20,000, many families would eventually start doing the math. A robot doesn't negotiate salary. It doesn't even arrive late. It doesn't quit unexpectedly. For consumers, the long-term economics become hard to ignore. And that's why some experts believe humanoid robots could become one of the biggest economic shifts in modern history. People compare this moment to smartphones. At first, smartphones looked unnecessary. Then suddenly they became central to everyday life. Banking, shopping, communication, entertainment. Everything changed. Humanoid robots could follow the same path. At first, they'll seem optional. Then prices drop. And eventually, millions of homes may have robotic assistants quietly handling daily tasks in the background. Tesla believes its biggest advantage is artificial intelligence. The company has spent years building AI systems for self-driving vehicles. Tesla cars constantly collect real-world data about movement, obstacles, environments, and human behavior. Now Tesla is applying similar AI systems to robots. And that matters because homes are incredibly difficult environments for machines. Kids leave toys everywhere. Pets run through hallways. A useful household robot has to adapt to chaos. That's one reason Optimus gets so much attention. Tesla also focused heavily on the robot's hands because household work requires delicate movement. Folding laundry, picking up objects, carrying containers, organizing kitchens, all of it requires flexibility. Older robots struggled badly with these kinds of tasks. Tesla wants Optimus to function naturally in ordinary homes without needing everything perfectly arranged beforehand. And if they succeed, this won't just change chores. It could reshape labor itself. Because here's the uncomfortable reality many people avoid discussing. If robots become cheap and capable enough, millions of jobs could disappear. And here's another important detail many people overlook. Tesla isn't just building a robot, it's building a robotics ecosystem. Think about smartphones. Over time, they became connected to apps, cloud systems, software updates, subscriptions, and entire digital marketplaces. Robots could evolve the same way. Imagine downloadable task upgrades, cooking assistance features, elderly care systems, security monitoring, and child safety updates. Your robot today could become dramatically smarter 5 years later through software updates alone. That idea is wild, and if millions of robots are learning from millions of homes, the system becomes more intelligent over time. One robot learns better navigation around pets, another improves laundry folding. Trust matters when technology enters private spaces. This is because convenience is incredibly powerful. Throughout history, humans consistently adopt technologies that save time and reduce effort. Washing machines replaced hand-washing clothes. Dishwashers reduced kitchen labor. Cars replaced horses, and smartphones replaced dozens of separate devices. Humanoid robots could become the next major layer of automation, and Musk understands exactly how to market that future. He doesn't present Optimus as just a robot. He presents it as the beginning of a new economic era. According to Musk, humanoid robots could eventually create a world where physical labor becomes optional for many people. That sounds exciting. It also sounds terrifying depending on who you ask. Because if robots perform more and more labor, what happens to human workers? Nobody really has a perfect answer yet. Some believe entirely new industries will emerge, just like during previous technological revolutions. Others worry displacement could happen faster than societies can adapt. But one thing is clear, the conversation is no longer theoretical. The robots are already being built. And once major companies begin competing aggressively in robotics, progress can accelerate incredibly fast. Look at artificial intelligence. Only a few years ago, advanced AI still felt distant to many people. Now, AI tools generate videos, create art, answer questions, and assist businesses every day. Technology often moves slowly, until suddenly it moves all at once. Humanoid robotics may be approaching that moment right now. Imagine where this goes in 10 years. Future robots may cook simple meals, clean homes automatically, assist elderly relatives, monitor household security, organize supplies, wash dishes, and manage daily routines. And as capabilities improve, dependence may grow too. That raises another strange question. Will future generations lose basic household skills because robots handle everything? It sounds funny today, but calculators reduced mental math skills. GPS weakened navigation skills. Smartphones changed memory and communication habits. What happens when machines handle physical chores for decades? Still, many people would gladly accept that trade if it means reclaiming hours of their lives. For them, a household robot sounds less like luxury and more like relief. And honestly, that emotional appeal may matter more than the technical details. People don't buy technology simply because it's impressive. They buy it because it improves daily life. That's exactly why smartphones exploded globally. Robots may eventually do the same for physical tasks. There's also another fascinating possibility: emotional attachment. Humans already form bonds with pets, virtual assistants, fictional characters, and even cars. If a robot helps care for someone every day, assists during emergencies, and becomes part of a routine, emotional attachment becomes very possible. Especially for isolated individuals. That creates ethical questions too. Should robots simulate emotions? Should children become attached to robotic caregivers? Should elderly people emotionally depend on machines? If Tesla scales production aggressively and offers financing or subscription models, adoption could accelerate much faster than people expect. Instead of paying huge upfront costs, families could eventually pay monthly fees similar to a car payment. That changes consumer psychology completely. And once neighbors begin owning them, social pressure starts spreading too. That's how technology adoption often works. The same thing happened with smartphones, smart TVs, and electric vehicles. Robots could follow the same path. And if humanoid robots become common globally, the economic effects could be massive. Businesses may lower labor costs, households may regain time, care industries could scale more efficiently. Manufacturing and logistics may transform completely. Some economists believe advanced robotics combined with AI could create productivity growth unlike anything seen before. But the biggest question remains: who benefits most? The companies building the robots? Consumers who can afford them early? Investors? Or society as a whole? Because technological revolutions usually create huge winners and painful losers at the same time. And that's what makes this conversation so important. This isn't just about a cool gadget. It's about the future of labor, time, and daily human life. Critics still argue Tesla may be underestimating how difficult real-world robotics truly is. And honestly, they might be right. But here's the important point. Optimus doesn't need to do everything perfectly to become valuable. If it can reliably clean, organize, carry items, and assist with basic routines, millions of people may already see enough value. Perfection isn't necessary, convenience is enough. That's how most successful technology works. Smartphones still glitch and cars still break down. Voice assistants misunderstand commands constantly. People still use them because the benefits outweigh the flaws. Humanoid robots may follow that same path. And if they do, we may eventually look back at this moment as the beginning of an entirely new technology era. Right now, robots still feel futuristic. But 10 years from now, a robot quietly cleaning your kitchen may feel as normal as Wi-Fi. That's how quickly technology can reshape reality. The AI systems are already learning. The prototypes are already moving. The factories are already preparing. And somewhere inside Tesla, engineers are trying to turn humanoid robots from a viral internet video into an ordinary household product. If they succeed, life after Optimus may look very different from life before it. And the craziest part? This entire transformation may begin with something surprisingly simple. A robot quietly folding laundry while humans finally get their time back. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.